Hi, welcome to this video. How to check scheduled reels on Instagram. To check scheduled reels on Instagram, navigate to your profile, right? So I'm gonna press my profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the menu or three lines at the top right. And select scheduled reels. So let me try to pin down scheduled reels. Let me type it here. Schedule content, yeah. And as you can see right here, I don't have any scheduled content yet. So any content that you post, reels or whatever, will be found here. This section displays all created reels, allowing you to edit, reschedule, or instantly share them by tapping the three dots next to the post. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.